dark as shit. Anyway, POV, dark part 2. Yeah.
Okay, this is like a camera test for silliness. Can you do this? Pretty cool though, huh?
Okay, POV, blindy. Yeah, it's nighttime. You can't see shit. That's brilliant. Okay, I'm gonna save this till I get where I'm going. This is kind of lame here. Okay. Bad idea. Experimental camera angle. POV status. Check it out though. Huh? Can I get a chili cheese fries, extra chili?
Okay.
And a double cheeseburger with extra chili.
Okay.
And an extra large Coke.
Is Pepsi okay?
I'm sorry, what? Oh yeah, Pepsi's great. I'm sorry.
Okay, anything else?
No, I'm good.
Okay, so I have a double cheese, extra chili, some chili cheese fries, extra chili, and a large Pepsi.
Perfect.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, 12.98, and I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Worst idea ever. 13? Oh.
I gotta go say goodbye to my kid. Okay, this is like a camera test for silliness. Can you do this? Pretty cool though, huh?
Yeah. You know, I got the camera on and I'm recording this restaurant right here. What do you think, mister? Yeah, look at these guys with this inNout, man. But here's the cool thing. Oh my gauges. The car's getting warmer.
Upgrades. Black paint, updated oil windage tray. 2006 improved oil draining. Oil pan baffle kit. Oil sump / restrictor. Billet aluminum power steering pump mount. Billet aluminum power steering pulley. Billet aluminum rack and pinion steering solid mounts. Replaced rubber bushings. Stainless steel brake lines. Clear front bra.
Oh yeah, I told me its phone's gonna last that long. It cools down at idle. Yeah, I've been sitting here and watching my engine cool down. What? Yeah, it's really cool. and it will look really cool.
Side sill vents, new catalytic converter, driver's front cat was plugged and overheating. Hurst short throw stick shift mod. Since removed, replaced with unknown type. New front wheel bearings. 4-wheel alignment. Fog lens covers installed. Belt tensioner replaced and new serpentine belt installed. Passenger interior door handle. Molding replaced. Driver's door wire harness upgraded. Super cool 546 radiator minus new racing super heavy duty aluminum radiator installed. New water pump. Module 2006 minus radiator fan, new 170 deg thermostat, new gasket on intake manifold and thermostat. Housing sway bar front link kit package for rear. Old oil pan gasket replaced. New seal on transmission tail shaft. New wiper blades. Install new silicone hoses. Row air bleed valve since.
Hey, just to verify, did I turn the car off?
What?
Since I pulled into inNout and I've been here, have I turned the car off?
No.
Okay, is it still cool on the inside or is it hot?
It's hot.
It's hot in here?
A little bit.
A little bit. Fine. There we go. There you go. Oh, because... Yeah.
What?
Nothing. Is that better?
Yeah.
Removed unnecessary weight. Service cooling system treatment with removed block plugs. Included in radiator replacement. Upgraded cooling fan to larger 2000 model type included in radiator replacement. New coolant overflow bottle. New radiator cap. Steam clean undercarriage and suspension. Second check torque front wheel bearings, lube hood hinges and latches, e-brake fixed. Bleed brake system, 18-inch black rims. Exhaust leaks, noise on cold start, missing donut installed, power steering, rubber bushing replaced with billet aluminum. New upgraded harmonic balancer increases smoothness and reduces friction. Repair cracks on hood, induction scoop and repainted it. Repainted side sill.
Takes like... Ah! Okay. Thank you. Here you go, buddy. Oh, look.